Bro, sending a large file from your own phone to any other device, including your own PC, is being still painful in 2026. Here is the situation where most of the people is talking. Like you shoot on some video on your phone, which is about 2 to 4 GB. Now you want this video on your laptop. What do? You'll go for WhatsApp, which compresses the size and degrades the quality. Next, you can try Google Drive. You'll upload first and then download. It will take lots of time and two steps, which is fully headache. Third one, you might go for using USB cable. Bro, who carries the USB cable anymore? And fourth one might be the airdrop. For that, you need the both device to be of Apple ecosystem, and the both device should be nearby. So if you observe, none of these are actually convenient and fast. So there had to be a better way, and it is a app called Blip. And in this video I'm going to show you actually how it works. So hi guys, I'm Smith, a CSS student from NIT Warangal, and let's see it how it actually works. To get this app on your PC, you need to come to your Microsoft Store and search for Blip Transfer, and you'll get this app on the right top, and just you need to download it. And for the phone, go to your Play Store and search for the same Blip Transfer, and you will get this app. As you can see for the phone on the right of your screen, just download it. And after downloading, the process will be something like open it, come to this app, and you need to log in with any of your emails. So use the same email both for your phone and for your PC, so that these two device actually gets connected to each other. So we'll sign in and show you. To get the code on from our email, so we'll come to our email. As you can see, our phone and this PC has been connected. Now we'll see how actually we can transfer a file from this. Okay, so if I will try to transfer any of the file using this app from our phone to this PC, transfer any file, just come to your phone, select whatever file you want to transfer, no matter how large the file is. Once you click, it will automatically starts getting transferred to your PC. Even it will not ask you to allow. As you can see on the screen, the file size originally 173 MB is getting transferred at very high speed. You can clearly see on the screen the speed is really very high, and this speed you are not going to get on your Google Drive, WhatsApp, and anywhere else. So this is really insane speed. Sorry, yeah, how fast it transferred our file to our PC. Now we can show in folders. Like, see, it came to our folders. It got saved here. So this app is really insane. This app is not limited up to our own devices also. You can send it its same speed to the other people's also. You just need to be connected on the internet. See, if you want to send to the other people, just type their names or email, and if you found their account, you can directly send to their account easily. As you saw, the app was really fast, convenient, ad free, and the most important, free of cost. So if you compare this app with any other transferring method like WhatsApp, which degrades the quality, compresses the size, Google Drive, which takes lots of time uploading, downloading, blah blah, and AirDrop, which might be expensive for you, and the USB cable, which is not always available. So go and try it. Link will be given in the description. I swear, if you once tried this, you are never going back to any of that old transferring method. That's all in this video, and meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.